What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Civic we are going to be putting in new polyurethane bushings that I got from a local shop. Here's the part number. So I'm going to try to see if this will fix my sloppiness in my shifter, so hopefully it does. I want to say it should be easy, but as we all know, not everything's so easy on this car because nothing's ever been changed, but that's fine. So I'm gonna get underneath the car and I'm gonna see what we need to take apart. The first thing you're gonna have to do is these little metal bushings, we're gonna put them in. So they do supply grease, but sometimes you can just get them in like that. With this one, we are just gonna and there you have it. They're all in. I have extra lube. Let's get underneath the car and let's get these changed. So here's a little before and after, or here's before. As you can tell, it's got a lot of play. Alright, so right up here there's two 12mm bolts right there. So you just want to take those out, and then that's the one bushing that we're going to change, and then the other one is going to be out there. Alright, so as you can tell, the old one has definitely seen better days, and here's the new one. So this little metal piece, you're just going to want to pry off and hope it doesn't break. Hold on. Alright, so we got that off, and then you basically just transfer it over like so. So now I'm gonna put this one back up. I'm not sure if I actually, oh, haha, I'm an idiot. So these actually, so these two pins, they don't go in here. They actually go in here, and then this one, they meet up with each other like so. Sorry about that. It's been a while since I've been working on Hondas. So now that I got this piece all together, I will actually probably use some of the lube in the center so I can wiggle this on. Sorry it's kind of dark down there, but I'll try to film what I can. Alright, so we finally got it in. Honestly, that was a pain in the ass, but we got it in, we got it tightened down and everything. It just sucks trying to get it over the front of it or the back of it. Just try to get it in. But I did get it. I did have to use the lube and everything, but now that we got that in, now it's time to go to the front. Alright, so the one I'm going to be replacing up front by the trans is this one. It looks like it should be like a 10 or a 12, so let's get this started. Alright, so I was right. It is a 12. So I know this camera angle is going to be bad, but I'm glad this one's coming out a lot better. Alright, so I got it in. What you have to do is you have to get a pry bar so you can actually align it on the other side. But for the most part, this one was the easiest one. So that's the end of that. Let's go see how it feels. Alright, so let's see if it made any difference. I'm hoping on it, but you never know. It does feel tighter, but you can still tell it's got some wobble in it. So I think that's the other rod. So maybe we'll replace that so we can get a nice tight shift. And I plan on getting a maybe like a Skunk 2 short throw shifter. So while it's up in the air, we're gonna do that. But hopefully you guys liked this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.